Right, so this is the Seat Ibiza Mk3 3-cylinder engine. You can see we've got the 3 ignition coils right here leading down into the cylinders. Got the manifold with 3 cylinders coming out of it. That's where the exhaust gases are going down to. Got your O2 sensor here, and there's another O2 sensor down below the cat. And this is all relating to the intake. It's just a quick video to show you the 3-cylinder engine. We've got the cover off, the covers there. Nothing too exciting, pretty basic, pretty straightforward.